I do not even know if I can get this whole thing in frame. This is a huge, huge, huge box from primitivegatherings.com. They do a couple of different, well, they have a monthly subscription for kits, either quilter or wool, but they also do a couple of different Christmas boxes. And they had sold out of their earlier Christmas box, and I was bummed. I didn't realize it was out in August, which gives you plenty of time to work on the projects that are inside the box. But they did have the Merry Christmas box, and I kind of winked at my husband, and he said, okay. So I got the annual Merry Christmas box. Ladies and gentlemen, what's in this is like, it's so worth every penny. Let me share inside. I'm going to move the box out of the way. And I will just tell you that this box smells divine. Like somebody sprinkled vanilla sugar in it. It just smells so good. The first thing in here is Bundle of Joy wool. So these are little wool pieces. Look at those glorious colors. I hope you guys can see that with the glare. It's just a sampling of all these little wools, so we can create whatever penny mats or pillows or whatever your little heart desires. Love. Love, love, love. And then the second thing in the box, and this is their holiday gift box, so it's meant to be a gift for someone else or yourself. Well, in this case, it was for myself. And this is Soap Escape, and it's from an Etsy shop called Soap Escape. It looks like a honey bee hive right there, and it smells like honey. This soap smells like honey. It smells so good. And you guys know that, unless it smells like a bakery, for me, forget it. It will make me ill. But this smells like a bakery, and that's what that box smells like too. Just like vanilla sugar sprinkled all over it. And then you get Lisa. Lisa Bonigen. She is the owner of Primitive Gatherings, or one of the co-owners, I do believe. I'm not really sure if there's two of them or if it's just her, but I know it's her shop. She includes a love letter in every box, whether it's subscription or whether it's just a holiday box. And the love letter basically has a picture of everything that's included in the box in color. And then she writes down what everything is. And if there's anything extra you might need for these projects. So, and I like that a lot. I like to know what's in the box. So let's put that aside, and I'll show you guys what's in the box. All of this came in the box, plus those other two things. So it is a lot. It's like I said, it's well worth the price with the amount of stuff that you get. So let's take a peek, shall we? So in here is a little pouch, and it says Quilter in the Wild, and it's super cute. It's by Moda, but looky. In every box that they do, they have caramels. And in this one, it's 6 vanilla caramels. Now, actually, now there's only 5 because I ate one right away, because they are like homemade caramels that my grandmother used to make. And I'm here for it. Caramel is one of my favorite flavors in the whole world. I am truly a caramel girl. So that is the first thing that's in the bag. And then you get another one. And this one says Dream Big, Shop Local, and Quilt Often. And it's got that on the back. It's another Moda pouch. And who can't use this to throw their floss in their bag, or even a coin purse, or you just need a small little treat pouch for your pup. You could use it for that too. Or your different kinds of scissors that you need. Many things. Some of my quilty things. It's not all, obviously, because they've got all marked out. And then another quilting design on the back. I like these a lot. These are really cute, and they will come in handy. And then you get a mini scrappy pouch kit. So it comes with everything but the zipper. Here's the little fabric. These are, is it a charm pack? I think it's a charm pack. I can't remember what they're called. And then like a an eighth or a quarter of a yard for the backing fabric. So you just need a zipper. So, and I wanted to make a couple of these anyway, so I'm very glad to have that. You also get a perpetual calendar. And here's this one. This is a week at a glance. I think this will be great for my room to write down the different things that I have to do or the different deadlines that I might have. So this is going to come in great handy. That is a very useful item for sure. And then we have a kit. This is one of their bigger kits. It's the 1883 mat and pin cushion. Isn't that gorgeous, you guys? That is just so beautiful. That is all wool hand stitched. And they sell the backgrounds as well for this. And I'm definitely going to order the background. That would be a beautiful crown over a window in any room of my house. So that is just gorgeous, and it literally comes with all the wool. All you need is the thread. So absolutely beautiful. Love, love, love that. I love stitching on wool, you guys. I can't help it. It's a slight addiction. And then she also included the family crest pillow or banner. So you can make a banner or you can make the pillow. That happens to be Lisa's last name. It's beautifully designed. I love this wreath that's around it. And again, it's the kit with all the wool that you need and the pattern. So that's what came in this holiday gift box from Primitive Gatherings. I absolutely love it. And I'm looking forward to doing some of the projects in this box. And I'm definitely keeping that box because that box is awesome. And the soap. I think the soap's going to go in a guest room. It just smells so good. So thanks everybody for watching. I hope that you enjoy. Please go check out Primitive Gatherings. I've followed them for years. It's a well-known shop. They have quilting fabric. They have everything you can think of for quilting or stitching in any shape, way, or form. They are just a great company. And they ship very quickly. So thanks everybody for watching. I hope you make a happy memory, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.